This is Xiaomi Redmi 12C, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can add an event to calendar on this device. So, to begin with, we will need to launch the Google Calendar application. Then, choose the date that you would like to create an event on, or for. So let's say I'll go with 18th of March. Then, at the bottom right part of your screen, tap at this plus icon, choose the event option from the list. And in here you can set the title for your custom event, set the timeframes, make it repetitive or not repetitive respectively, change the time zone, invite some other participants, add the link to the video call that might occur regarding this event, add the location that this event will take place at, choose when you would like to be reminded about this event, maybe pick some color for it to stand out from other events you have, add the description, attach some file, and once you're ready to save, just hit that save button to your top right. And here we have it. Now you can tap on this event to see its details, edit those details by tapping at the pencil icon over here, and entirely delete the event by tapping at these three dots. Delete. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.